Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A54. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, look, complementation. In complementation we have only cable for charging. Only Type-C cable. Type-C to Type-C. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera, on the front side 6.4 inch, on this side power key and home keys. On this side without controls, upside slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, device without headphones jack. Turn on device, we have AMOLED, a Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display, 120 Hz. Okay, look settings, about phone. We have One UI version 5.1, Android version 13, Knox version 3.9. Open tests. System we have CPU Exynos 1380, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, CPU speed 2 and 2.4 GHz. Battery we have 509,000 mAh. Close this and look onto the benchmark results. Okay. And run the money game with San Andreas. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level only. GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level. Works perfect. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.